We visited NASDAQ today and we were taken around the museum by our amazing tour guide. I never knew such place exists at NASDAQ headquarters in Abuja. I encourage parents, guardians, school to take their children, wards and pupils to have a first-hand view of the facilities. At the museum, I found out that Nigeria and NASA are not left out in space race, research and technology development. Various satellites were built by our indigenous engineers and scientists, whereas some were built in partnership with foreign counterparts. I bet you it's a place to be now that the holiday period is fast approaching. Former President Olusegun Obasanjo established NASDAQ with a clear roadmap being done, while others are work in progress. Between the roadmap, we have the training of astronauts, to development of rockets, launching of rockets, and commercialization. From here, we're taking to the hard section, which is low Earth orbit by NASDAQ. So far from 2003, which was when Nigeria launched her first satellite into low Earth orbit, known as Nigeria Satellite 1 or SAT-1. From then till recently, Nigeria through NASDAQ has launched several satellites and three are still actively in orbit, which are Satellite 2, the communication satellite, and the Satellite X. Let's take that again. The three satellites that are still actively in orbit today are Satellite 2, the communication satellite, and the Satellite X. Some of these satellites are collaboration between NASA and foreign space agencies. Here, we were shown various prototypes confirming NASA as the #1 space agency in Africa as it rubs shoulder with Roscosmos, NASA, and the Hungarian Space Agency. Here, we have team of Nigerian scientists and engineers who designed and built the Satellite X. X stands for Experimental Satellite. The Satellite X was wholly designed and built by our indigenous scientists and engineers. I say kudos to them. Thereafter, we're taken to the rocket section where I was left speechless, not knowing that NASA has achieved beyond my imagination in terms of rocket science, development, and technology. The high point of our tour was when we're taken to view real-time view of the Nigerian communication satellite in orbit. Though we were not allowed to show it on screen, but there we could see the altitude, latitude, the speed as it orbits planet Earth. As at the time we visited, the Nigerian satellite was orbiting Earth in between Africa and Asia. It's a beautiful place to be. Don't be left out. Try as much as possible out of your busy schedule to visit the NASDAQ Museum. You will not regret your experience. Kindly follow us for more space updates. Thank you.